Hey there, wanted to share a little bit about how This Old House and YouTube work together to benefit advertisers. So This Old House, they've been around for 40 years. They're the undisputed leader in home improvement and in the authorities for doing this. They're on PBS. They also have their main site, ThisOldHouse.com. And on top of that, they have a huge YouTube channel. And YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. So when people are searching for something, this is what comes up. So for example, right here, how to choose keyless deadbolts. So all sorts of different things. And how does that work? Well, somebody goes to YouTube and they'll just go in here and they'll say, okay, installing a new roof, right? They've got a project. They're not necessarily going to pick a roof. They're not sure if they're going to install it themselves, but they're searching around and they're looking. So when you look at all this traffic, this flows into This Old House from one source or another. Here's how to install Drip Edge. The number one result is often This Old House. You go to that and you can do these searches on your own. You can go to these websites on your own and see how they work, see how they behave. And then all of a sudden we've got an ad playing. And that ad, that's where you can run. You can certainly advertise on YouTube directly. You can advertise on YouTube and see figure out how to do that. And if you've got a really good agency, then fantastic. They can help you figure it out. But often YouTube's a whole different animal. You need really good content. And that's what This Old House can help you do as well. So one of the things that you should really consider is, how do I take most advantage of this? I want to work with a good content partner, and we can help you do that. So hopefully that explains a little bit about how you can work with This Old House and YouTube. This has over 2 million views. This one has 2.3 million views, and this is just one topic. And you can go across all sorts of different topics and find out how to best reach your customers when they're searching online and associate with a reputable company like This Old House. Thanks so much.